You ready?
This is one of those Oscar movies, huh?
Just want to wish you good luck.
Yeah. We're delayed, no good luck.
You too.
Anyone cheering you on tonight?
Yeah. My mom invited the entire block.
Is your boyfriend?
No.
Huh?
You?
No.
Oh.
My dad is on his belated honeymoon, and my mom's in the front. Maybe she'll come tomorrow.
Oh, is that the girl?
Well,
Is that the daughter?
She has to leave.
I'm sure you won't.
That's not the daughter, right?
Mm.
You'll be great tonight.
She's alone too. She has problems.
So this is about a bunch of different people.